2, 3, funk it.
Hello mga beshies! How are you? I hope you're all doing well! So for today's video, it's Harper's birthday. Happy birthday, Harper!
Thank you!
So where are we heading? Where are we heading today? We're heading to Harbor Point and you will go to?
Water park.
Kidsania! Let's go! Excited. Mga beshies, Harper's gonna play in Kidzuna with his parents. Kidzuna pala, mali yung sinabi ko, Kidzania. Sinabi ko kanina. Let's go mga beshi. Ano? You're torn?
No, I'm not torn.
So what do you wanna do for today's video?
I will play with the kids and then I will join you making money.
So half-half.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy guys. Enjoy Besh. Enjoy Harpy. Enjoy. Say hi to the Beshies. Harper, say hi to the vlog. Hi mga Beshies.
Hi, Beshies.
What can you say for today's video?
Today's video is going to be sick!
Where are you playing?
I'm playing in this stadium.
Enjoy, yeah? Enjoy your time.
Okay, thank you! Stay safe.
Harper, enjoy. Enjoy.
We have a birthday celebrant today. His name is Clifford Ray Harper. In the country of the Harbor Point, we would like to give Clifford a happy birthday.
Yay!
To be part of your celebration. Happy birthday, Clifford!
Clifford. Yay! Clifford pala daw. Wow, little doctor. Hindi alam. Ang lahi naman nito. Harmony! Location, mga beshies. Nandito na sa Jerry's Grill. Let's go! Cheer and Jerry's. Let's go. We have sinigang na Bayboy, and then we have sinigang na Hapon. We have the lemon, and we have the sisig. Hi, Besh. Ito na naman tayo for today's video. Happy birthday, Harper. Harper. Suplado.
Pati si Marco, Mina.
Birthday.
Sinigang na baboy o hipon.
Hi, Harmony. The best. Wow, artista yan. Let's go. At Gongcha, let's go. Ano bang good afternoon. Ano sa'yo, bebe? Hello mga beshies! We're still here in Subic in the Haviland's residence. So we're heading upstairs in the roof deck. Look at the view. Oh my god. Ang ganda mga beshi. Sobra. Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Gamadagat na yun that side. And there's ships in there. Then boats around it. Nakakahingal. Ilang ano pa lang yun. Pagod na agad. Ito yung surroundings. Ang ganda-ganda.
1, 2, 3, funk it.